She was the 1992 Asian Marathon champion, and she has run 76 full marathons. She has 25 gold, this is at the international level, 25 gold, 13 silver and 12 bronze. She's also run 122 half marathons, and she told a most interesting story which I'll request you to, you're running with Anil Ambani last year in Mumbai. You must please tell about that. I'm speaking about Sunita Godara, who is standing right here. And she has not won the Arjuna Award. And why she's not won it is another question which we will not go into right now. She is an executive member of our body, and her main speciality is dealing with drug abuse.
With this Clean Sports India, I'll be working as National Coordinator for Drug Abuse Awareness Programs and Campaigns. Whatever anti-doping code adopted by Olympic Committee, we are going to bring awareness among sports persons and sports trainers. Because as far as doping is concerned in sports, it's unethical, unfair, unhealthy, unsportsmanlike, and it is banned. Whereas in Indian sports, everywhere with federations in present scenario and with officials and few coaches, directly or indirectly, they are encouraging doping or they are just overlooking it. Because in my views, if the top people of federation, they want to stop drug abuse in sports, they can. But when you overlook these things or you support them directly or indirectly, then it goes on. So what we will do, for what I was doing, what Tom just said, for last 7 years I've been doing here, Run Against Drug Abuse. Now with Clean Sports India, we'll go around the country and we'll be doing drug abuse awareness campaigns through runs and seminars, workshop, etc. And as you all know, because you are all from media, last 10 years I've been fighting against drug abuse in sports through PIL in High Court, which is now referred to NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency. So the fight is on. And I'm very happy that I've been chosen as National Coordinator for Drug Abuse Awareness because this is my field. I've been doing it for so many years, and now I've got platform to do it with all the like-minded people. Maybe better, now I have got support of better sports person and those who have better say. So this will be a movement all over the country, which I was only doing little bit in Delhi. Saturday, Run Against Drug Abuse, I invite you all, see what we do in Delhi now will be everywhere in the country for drug abuse awareness. Now when we talk about doping, small children, say class 10th, 9th, they are also going into it because the top level athletes, not all, but some of them are doping, and down there at grassroots level or say state or national level, the impression to these young sports person is, if we will not take drugs, then we can't become champion, which is totally wrong. We have to bring awareness on these things, that drugs cannot make you champion. Maybe 5%, 10% improvement, but not champions. And as per Olympic Charter, those who are involved in doping in sports, whether they are sports people, officials, coaches, or federation people, they should be banned. So we'll work on that. Thank you.